Hello and welcome to Kundan Hikayoi channel. Tick, tock, the clock is always moving. But here's a question, is your money moving with it? Every second that passes, your financial future is being shaped, either by design or by default. The difference between struggling and thriving often comes down to this simple truth: how well do you understand your money? Welcome to this essential guide on personal finances. Whether you're a young adult just starting out, a parent providing for your family, or a retiree seeking security, the principles we'll share today apply to everyone. And the best part? It's never too late to take control of your financial life. In the next few minutes, we'll unpack simple yet powerful habits that can transform your financial reality. No complex jargon, just timeless wisdom and practical steps. Let's start with the foundation, budgeting. A budget is not a restriction, it's a reflection of your priorities. Think of it as a roadmap. If you don't know where your money is going, you'll wonder where it went. Track every dollar. Apps like Mint, Inab, or even a simple spreadsheet can help. Next, let's talk about saving. A wise rule of thumb. Save at least 20% of your income if possible. Start with an emergency fund, aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Life happens, whether it's a medical emergency or a sudden job loss, a cushion of savings gives you peace of mind. Now, let's move to the magic of investing. You've probably heard of compounding, but do you truly understand its power? Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Even small, consistent investments can grow into significant wealth over time. The key? Start early, stay consistent, and think long-term. Don't forget about debt management. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest debt, especially credit cards, can cripple your financial progress. Focus on paying off these debts aggressively. Snowball or avalanche method, pick one and stick with it. Lastly, let's discuss mindset. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. Adopt a growth mindset around money. Read books, listen to podcasts, surround yourself with people who inspire smart financial choices. Remember, wealth is built by small actions repeated consistently over time. So here's the bottom line: you don't need to be a financial genius to achieve financial freedom. You need discipline, clarity, and the courage to start. Every big financial success begins with one small step. Start today. Track your spending. Build your emergency fund. Invest wisely. Pay off debt. Shift your mindset. Because when you take control of your money, you take control of your life. Remember, time is moving. Let your money move with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps the channel. And if you're serious about taking control of your finances, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a future video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below on what financial habit you're focusing on this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay wealthy.